This tool is going to change the way we think and it's going to change the way we search the internet. It's called Perplexity AI and it's far better than ChatGPT and it's way better than Gemini. Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video I will show you guys step by step how you can get started from scratch on Perplexity. So let's just get into it. So the first thing that you have to do is open your browser and dive into perplexity.ea. So this is the home page. As you can see, have your various things and several information that you have to, and if several options here and that you have to know about Perplexity. So first things, let's click over Try Pro here, and you have here Perplexity Pro is the most powerful way to search the internet with unlimited pro search, upgrade EA models, unlimited file upload, image generation, and API credits. We have here standard start for free, no credit card needed. We have here for free forever, continue with free, unlimited quick searches, 5 pro searches per day, standard Perplexity a model optimized for speed and quality, create a profile to personalize your answers. So let's ask something, for example, how, but before let's know here these things. We have here focus, we have web here, search across the internet, writing here, generate text or chat without searching the web, academic search for published academic papers, video discover and watch videos. We have math here, solve equations and find numerical answers. Social, we have search for discussions and opinions, and this is how it works. Then we have here focus. Focus, I already mentioned it. We have here pro. About this one, you have just to switch on or switch off. About this one, our most powerful search, ideal for longer answers to complex questions. So let's ask something, for example, how to make money with Perplexity. Then we have here sources first. As you can see, we have the first one here. We have YouTube, community.make. We have also Perplexity here, Perplexity again, Perplexity, YouTube, make. So we can just choose the one you want and you get started with it. So if you scroll down, you have here to answer. To create projects using Perplexity, you can leverage its various features to build applications or tools, even if you lack programming experience. Here are step-by-step guide on how to get started. So we have here understanding Perplexity first. Perplexity is an AI-powered tool designed for information discovery and content generation. It combines web search capabilities with large language models, allowing users to access a wide range of information and generate content based on their queries. So we have here the first things. Choose your project idea, then use the right features, writing effective prompts. Here we have experiment and refine, collaborate, and share. Then we have here some questions related in the same thing that I asked. Also, we have here videos. You can just watch these videos, images also. And the videos here, you can just get started. So right now, let's come back to the home page and I will show you how. So the first way we have here is offering expert consulting and advisory service. So on Perplexity, you can earn money by offering expert consulting and advisory services through a well-crafted profile that attracts clients. Monetize your expertise by providing valuable, tailored insights and charging for personalized consultations. So we have here the first one, which is Upwork. So to earn money using Upwork, promote your Upwork consulting services on Perplexity to attract clients. Leverage your expertise to offer valuable advice and convert Perplexity interactions into Upwork projects. So then we have LinkedIn. So to earn money on Perplexity using LinkedIn, showcase your consulting expertise on LinkedIn and direct your network to Perplexity on for additional insights. Use LinkedIn to attract clients and drive traffic to your Perplexity profile for paid advisory services. Then we have the second way, which is creating and selling educational content. So to earn money on Perplexity by creating and selling educational content, develop high quality informative materials tailored to your niche, offer these resources, draw Perplexity by providing access or exclusive content for a fee, attracting users interested in specialist knowledge. So the first one we have here is udemy.com. So to earn money on Perplexity by creating and selling educational content on Udemy, first develop and publish comprehensive courses on Udemy that showcase your expertise. Promote these courses on Perplexity by providing value-driven previews or insights, encouraging users to explore your full content on Udemy. Then we have Amazon. To earn money on Perplexity by creating and selling educational content on Amazon, publish ebooks or guides that leverage your expertise, promote these materials on Perplexity by offering valuable excerpts or insights, driving users to purchase your full content on Amazon. Then we have the third step is developing and offering tools or apps. So to earn money on Perplexity by developing and offering tools or apps, create innovative solutions that address specific user needs or challenges. Promote these tools or apps on Perplexity by highlighting their benefits and functionalities, encouraging users to purchase or subscribe for enhanced features. So the first one we have here, App Store. So to earn money on Perplexity by developing and offering tools or apps on the App Store, create valuable and user-friendly applications tailored to specific needs. Promote your app on Perplexity by showcasing its unique features and benefits, driving traffic and potential downloads from interested users. Then we have here product hands. To earn money on Perplexity or similar platforms focus on creating valuable content and like Product Tank. So to earn money on Perplexity by developing and offering tools for or apps on Product Hunt, launch your product and highlight its key features and benefits. Promote your product and launch on Perplexity to attract early adopters and drive interest, increasing visibility and potential sales. So this is how it works with these websites, and this is how it works with Product Hunt. So to earn money on Perplexity or similar platforms, focus on creating valuable content and engaging actively with the community, understand the platform's monetization options, and tailor your content to meet user needs. Build your reputation by being responsive and involved. Stay informed about platform updates and trends to refine your strategy. Success typically involves persistence and continuous adaptation. So this is how it works with Perplexity. So you can just read this information to more understand about Perplexity, like here discover. We have a library also, and we have it also in the home. Like Pro here, Enterprise, Playground, Blog, Encyclopedia, Cars, and there here we have you choose your language like French, Standard, Japan, German, you have Japanese, Korean, Chinese, Spanish, Hindi. So of course I will choose English, and this is it for this video guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful. See you again in the next video.